BX cable, also known as armored cable, is an older type of electrical wiring characterized by its metal-clad construction. This cable was frequently used in the early 20th century and can still be found in older homes. Understanding its components and potential hazards is crucial for electrical safety. BX cable typically consists of 2 or more insulated conductors, such as red and black wires, enclosed within a flexible metal sheath. This metal sheath serves 2 primary purposes. Firstly, it provides physical protection to the conductors from damage. Secondly, it acts as a shield against electromagnetic interference. One of the distinguishing features you may encounter is a bare mesh wire running alongside the insulated conductors. This bare mesh wire is the grounding wire. Its function is to provide a path for electrical current to flow back to the electrical panel in the event of a fault, such as a short circuit. The grounding wire is typically connected to the neutral bar within the electrical panel. The metal sheath itself can also serve as a ground path, provided it is properly connected to ground. While BX cable served its purpose in the past, it is no longer commonly used in new construction due to advancements in wiring technology and safety standards. However, its presence in older homes necessitates caution and awareness. One of the primary concerns with BX cable is the potential for deterioration over time. The metal sheath can become damaged or corroded, which can expose the live wires and create a fire hazard. This is especially true in damp or corrosive environments. If the insulation on the conductors within the BX cable deteriorates, it can also lead to short circuits or ground faults. Another potential issue is improper installation. If the connectors used to terminate the BX cable are not properly tightened, or if the cable is not properly supported, it can lead to strain on the conductors and eventual failure. Furthermore, some older installations may not have a dedicated grounding wire, relying solely on the metal sheath for grounding. This can be problematic if the sheath becomes compromised. If you suspect the presence of BX cable in your home, it is highly recommended that you have it inspected by a qualified electrician. The electrician can assess the condition of the cable, identify any potential hazards, and recommend appropriate actions. During the inspection, the electrician will typically look for signs of damage to the metal sheath, such as rust, corrosion, or physical punctures. They will also check the condition of the insulation on the conductors, looking for cracks, brittleness, or other signs of deterioration. Additionally, they will verify that the cable is properly supported and that the connectors are properly tightened. Based on their assessment, the electrician may recommend repairs or replacement of the BX cable. In some cases, minor repairs may be sufficient to address isolated issues. However, if the cable is extensively damaged or if there are concerns about its overall safety, replacement may be the best option. If replacement is necessary, the electrician will typically recommend using modern wiring methods, such as non-metallic sheathed cable, which offers improved safety features and ease of installation. When working with BX cable, it is essential to follow proper safety precautions. Firstly, always to energize the circuit before working on any electrical wiring. This can be done by turning off the corresponding circuit breaker or removing the fuse from the electrical panel. Secondly, use appropriate personal protective equipment, such as insulated gloves and safety glasses. Thirdly, use the correct tools for the job. When cutting BX cable, use a cable cutter designed specifically for this purpose to avoid damaging the conductors. When connecting BX cable to electrical boxes or devices, use approved connectors that are compatible with the cable type. It is also important to ensure that the metal sheath is properly grounded. This can be done by connecting a grounding wire from the sheath to the grounding terminal in the electrical box or device. If the metal sheath is being used as the primary ground path, it is crucial to ensure that it is continuous and properly connected to ground throughout the entire circuit. In some cases, it may be necessary to install a supplemental grounding wire to provide additional protection. When working with older electrical systems, it is always best to err on the side of caution. If you are unsure about any aspect of the wiring, it is best to consult with a qualified electrician. It can provide expert advice and ensure that the electrical system is safe and up to code. Remember that electricity can be dangerous, and it is important to take all necessary precautions to protect yourself and your property. If you are not comfortable working with electrical wiring, it is best to leave it to the professionals. BX cable presents unique challenges due to its age and construction. However, with proper knowledge and precautions, it is possible to safely inspect, maintain, and repair BX cable systems. By understanding the components, potential hazards, and recommended safety measures, you can ensure the safety and reliability of your electrical system. Firstly, remember that the metal sheath can become damaged over time, which can expose the live wires and create a fire hazard. Secondly, always energize the circuit before working on any electrical wiring. This can be done by turning off the corresponding circuit breaker or removing the fuse from the electrical panel. Thirdly, it is important to use appropriate personal protective equipment, such as insulated gloves and safety glasses. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides guidelines for the safe installation and maintenance of electrical systems. While BX cable is not specifically addressed in the NEC, many of the general requirements for wiring methods and grounding apply. For example, NEC Section 300.4 addresses protection against physical damage, requiring that wiring be protected from damage that could occur during or after installation. This is particularly relevant to BX cable, as the metal sheath can be vulnerable to damage if not properly supported or protected. NEC Section 250 provides requirements for grounding and bonding, which are essential for electrical safety. These requirements apply to all wiring systems, including BX cable. The grounding wire in BX cable must be properly connected to the grounding system to provide a path for fault current to flow back to the source. NEC Section 310 covers conductors for general wiring, including the ampacity of conductors and the requirements for insulation. The conductors in BX cable must be properly sized and insulated to carry the intended load. It's important to note that old BX cable may not meet current NEC requirements, particularly with regard to grounding. In some cases, it may be necessary to upgrade the grounding system to meet current standards. The NEC is updated every 3 years, so it is important to consult the latest edition for the most current requirements. Local jurisdictions may also have additional requirements or amendments to the NEC. When working with BX cable, it is important to be aware of these local requirements. Electrical codes and regulations are constantly evolving to improve safety and address new technologies. Staying informed about these changes is essential for anyone working with electrical systems.